Greetings, shivering denizens. Welcome back. Today's reflection is about being loved back into recovery, not by force or willpower, but by accepting care and grace that we didn't create ourselves. Let's take this time to breathe, to soften into that love, and to carry it with us. Meditation Part 1. Receiving Love. Close your eyes gently and take a slow, easy breath in through the nose, and then just let it go gently. Imagine with each breath in you are receiving care. It's like a warm presence inside and wrapping around you. It's steady. It's both kind and patient. There's no need to earn it. There is no need to prove anything. Just breathe it in. If your mind resists, that's okay. Just come back to the breath. Inhale, receiving. And exhale, softening. Part 2 of the meditation, resting in acceptance. Bring your attention to your heart. Imagine it as a small space that is slowly being filled with warmth. This warmth is acceptance. The quiet recognition that you are already loved and already enough, right here and right now. Notice how your body responds as you allow yourself to rest in this acceptance. Shoulders lighten, breath eases, the heart steadies. Stay here for a few moments, simply resting. No fixing, no striving, just being held. Moving to part 3, extending love outward. Now picture this warmth expanding beyond you. First to someone you care about. Picture this warmth extending to that person that you care about. Now picture someone that you find difficult, and extend some of this warmth to that person too. Then extend this warmth to the wider circle of people walking this path of life. those of us that share the planet together right now. And now extend this warmth even further to those that have come before us and to those that will come after us. With each breath, let the love that you've received flow outward, quiet and steady, and silently repeat as you breathe. On the inhale, I am loved, and on the exhale, I share love. Inhale, I am loved. Exhale, I share love. Stay with this for a few moments. Notice how it feels to both receive and give from the same source of love. Stay where you are, calm and present, while we transition to the reflection. Today's reading reminds us that we don't recover through willpower, we recover through acceptance and love. For me, the miracle of recovery has been realizing that I didn't have to fight or force it. I just had to accept help and let love do its work. Over time, I began to see the good in myself, not because I provided it, but because I was loved into seeing it. That love became strength. That strength became freedom. So just for today, ask yourself, where in my life can I stop forcing and simply accept love as it comes? Because often the miracle begins not when we try harder, but when we finally allow ourselves to be held. Keep coming back.